What if I told you that exceptional quality in guitars doesn't always come with a high price tag? Meet the Chapman ML3 Traditional, a guitar that defines the norm by offering incredible value for every guitarist out there. Let's find out why it's a topic for both newcomers and seasoned players. Well, this particular guitar is my own ML3 Traditional. It's a kind of a workhorse and it's actually filthy, but combination of quality and affordability is the main strength of this guitar. Let me read you some of the specs. Body, it's a mahogany with a gloss finish. The neck is a maple with a satin finish, which is really fast and really comfortable. The neck profile is a C shape, so beautiful. Rolled edges, very comfortable to play. It's got a 22 nickel frets, standard stuff. It's got a T-style bridge. And for the pickups, P90, beautiful round sound, and a classical Chapman single coil Telecaster pickup. And the combination of these pickups is really great because the P90 is round, very warm sound, and the single coil, the T-style single coil, it's very sharp and gritty. I love this combination. So let's wrap this up. This particular guitar, is a standard version for beginners who are looking for elevating their sound, and for seasoned players also, because the quality is really there. I have to say, I'm touring with this guitar. It has played like 60 concerts in 2 years and it has never shown any weakness. It hasn't broke down and the sound is great. So I really recommend Chapman guitars, and pretty much this one, ML3 Traditional. Thank you for joining me today as we explore the Chapman ML3 Traditional. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content like this, and I will see you in the next video.